How to find favorites on iPhone. So if you want to find favorites on your iPhone, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your contacts or just simply go with your call. And here on the bottom left, you may have favorites option. But if you don't find the favorites option right there, then here on the top, you will have all of your favorites. So in my case, I have only 2 contacts as favorites. Let me show you how you can add some. So select the person that you would like to add as a favorite contact, tap on it, and then just scroll down a bit, tap on add to favorites, which is right here, and then tap on call and tap on phone and select the mobile number. Now it has been added to your favorites. Now what you need to do is just simply go back and then open up your phone section. Now as you can see that you will have the selected person on the top list, which means these are your favorite contacts. That's how you can find favorites on your iPhone calls. Or in the similar way, if you want to find favorites on your browser or on your Safari, then what you need to do is search for Safari. After opening your Safari, you need to look for favorites, which will be in the bottom. So you need to go with the 3 dots, which will be on the bottom, and then tap on the bookmark section. And here you will have favorites option. Tap on favorites, and then you will have all of your favorite bookmarks or your favorite section on your Safari. Or if you want to search favorites on your photos, then you can open up your photos and go with collections, which will be on the bottom. And from the collections here under media types or under utilities, you will have favorites option. Tap on favorites and you will have all of your favorite photos. That's how you can find favorites on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.